Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off this TalkBack feature. You can see it is not opening your POCO smartphone, how you can open it and how you can remove this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open this by swipe. Just take two fingers and swipe like this. Then tap one time to select it and double tap to activate this. You can see. Then you have to simply go to the settings. First tap, then double tap like this. And then you have to press accessibility. Go to additional settings. Double tap this. Then go to accessibility, and here it is a vision option. Click on vision and click on TalkBack. You have to turn it on off. Click on this and click on stop. And friends, you can see the TalkBack is off. I hope you like this video. You can see the mobile is working normal. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.